Hello, gentlemen. Welcome to the new video of Trade Talk. And today I'm going to share with you a strategy which have been a very important milestone for a beginner and also for someone who is into trade for a long time. When you start trading, you get familiar with different kind of indicators such as moving averages, parabolic SARs, Ichimoku clouds, and many other support and resistance indicators as well. But the most important thing is that the moving averages play a very important role in your daily or swing trading or scalping. And I spent a lot of time learning which combination is the best, because there are a lot of videos on YouTube which tells you this combination and this crossover, and you might have heard about the crossover strategy of moving averages as well. So I'm going to talk about a strategy which I have defined. Of course, I learned from the internet. I've learned and experimented on my account, and I've also tested it in different assets such as forex assets, indices, gold and commodities, etc. So without wasting any time, I would like to tell you that today's video is basically consisted of two elements. First of all, I would like to tell you what exactly is a good combination of a moving average crossover according to me. And I'm not saying this is the best combination, because you can also make your inputs and you can tweak this as per your own choice. But as far as it is concerned, about my trading style, I think these moving averages have been proven as a success of my trading terminology. The second part is that I'm going to share with you, and that is that on the basis of the crossover strategy, I used to wait for a long time to see the moving averages crossover and then waiting for the signal. And sometimes it is a very time taking process when you keep sitting on the computer and you keep waiting for the time that the moving average will crossover, and then finally you will have to have that kind of environment in front of you. So I got an EA developed, a robot, which is basically with a very simple parameters, and in which you can make the inputs and these four moving average crossovers, the lot size. I am going to share this EA robot with you absolutely free, but for that you have to go through this video and then hit the like and subscribe button of my channel and send me your email via comments, and I will send you the ex4 file and mql file for your MT4. This basically indicator is tested already. Forward testing and back testing is already done. I'm currently sitting on my laptop in an IG live graph of Euro JPY, and that is the dates are like August, September, this current month. I'm going to share this EA with those who are going to send me direct email on my email account, and for that you have to like and subscribe my channel as well. But most importantly, you have to check the strategy on your own first, back test it, and then you can go into the further implication. So I'm going to start with this chart in front of me. This is the Euro JPY chart. It's a 15-minute chart. First of all, I would like to tell you that the 15-minute chart is a very important time frame for a day trade or a swing trade to take a good position, because it reduces the noise which is coming in the 1 minute or 5 minute chart. Also, it does not let you wait for hourly or 4 hourly chart. So 15-minute chart has a very significant importance in the trading history of any asset. So I would recommend you to use the strategy for the 15-minute chart. And here I have this yellow line. It is the exponential moving average 8. You have to note it down. Then I have this blue line as moving average 13, exponential again. Then I have this 21 exponential moving average. This is the combination which I use as a crossover from this slow moving average, which is 150 moving average exponential. Why 150? Why not 100? It has a long debate. I will not go into the detail. You can choose whatever the exponential slow moving average you want to choose. Some people choose 100 moving average, some people 200 simple moving average, some people even use 89 moving average. But I think this 150 moving average exponential has been a very robust kind of a moving average, and it has been success trading with this combination of 3 moving averaging crossing 150 moving average. So I'm repeating again, you have on 8 days moving average exponential, then 13 exponential moving average, and then 21 EMA exponential moving average crossing this 150 moving average. So you can see the graph. Also please note that once you take a position in the 15-minute chart, it's up to you entirely that how much stop loss you want to put. Normally the stop losses are set above the crossover and the candles somewhere here, and then you can maximize your pips as per your choice, because that EA robot which I'm going to share with you will give you the opportunity to set the stop loss and the take profit as well. So it also has another combination, and that combination has this ability to open the trade when the crossover happens in any direction, and then closing the trade on any direction wherever it is giving the opposite signal. So you can choose either taking profit or stop loss strategy, or the crossover opposite strategy, that whenever the signal comes on the other side you have to take a position, and whenever the signal comes on the other side you have to come out. So you can see in this graph, Euro JPY, you have this entry somewhere here, and if I calculate the pips from here till here, maximum it has gone up to 115 110 points. That is like if you take a one mini lot of 0.01 in IG, so it is like $150. And if you talk about here where the opposite signal of the crossover on the upside direction has come, even then you are about 780 or 800 approximately pips positive. So I will drag this chart to the right side. Now you have taken the position, here you took the position, and then here you go out, you make around 800 points, and then again you take a position here, and then you carry on with this till it crosses down again. So probably somewhere here you are like getting 1400 points, and maximum it went up to 2000 points. I think it is a very simple strategy to follow. I am dragging the chart ahead. Here you can see a little bit of noise, and sometimes you may open and close the trades in a negative, but in a very small number, because if you calculate this pip size is like 70 pips, and then again you are taking another position when the crossover is happening, and you are taking position from here, and it goes up to, see, you are going directly here. So this is the strategy. I'm going to say that this has been a very robust strategy. Moving averages has played a very important role in the trading. It doesn't matter you're a scalper or a day trader or a swing trader. 8 moving average exponential, 13 and 21 has a very significant importance in the trading style of every trader. And 150 moving average is something which I have chosen with my experience. You can choose 200 or 100 or 89, whatever you may call it. So this is something which I wanted to share as a day trader or a scalper. Make sure that once you take a trade, if you want to go out on the opposite signal, you may have to stay in the trade for 2 or 3 days. So you have to be patient as well. Another thing is that I have developed, as I said earlier in the beginning of my video, I got a EA robot developed for this, so that I should not be sitting in front of the computer and waiting for the time when these crossovers are happening, because sometimes it is on the different time locations and I can't sit on the computer. So I just had to deploy this indicator. So EA, which is going to be in front of you in a moment. We can this is 4 moving average crossover EA, and that is you start with the lot size of your own choice depending upon your equity. Maximum open order is 1. If you want to set a stop loss, you can set stop loss, take profit, and then if you scroll it down, it has a magic number, so that you can deploy this indicator on different asset by entering any magic number. 1, 2, 3 is a generic magic number, then moving average 1, moving average 2, and 3 and 4 and so on. So you can basically use this EA as a free robot for your trading style as I described. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and also send me your email, valid email via comments, and I'll be sending you this EA robot copy absolutely free. Thank you very much, and your inputs are always welcome. Thank you.